I'm Paul, I work for Conquip, I'm an on-site engineer and trainer.
So I'm Jason, on-site engineer for Conquip. Day-to-day, Lola inspections, repairs and lifting equipment.
Canty deck installations, canty deck training on any of our other equipment, general on-site repairs and Lola inspections.
So yeah, every day is totally different for me. Today we're looking at sweeper, tipping skips. Then we've got a man rider over there that we've done the Lola inspection on. The best part about my job I enjoy is the variety. Every day is totally different, so you never get bored.
Part of my job, I really enjoy going out and meeting a vast array of people. We go on site to train people, safety's at the top of the list, site's compliant, and everyone knows how to use the equipment correctly.
Yeah, so we do training for canty deck, safe installation and movement of canty deck, which is important because it's a big bit of kit and accidents can happen. So inspections, we cover the Lola and Pure, so crane liftable stuff. We do four-legged chains, anything the customer has and they ask us to do, we'll look at it. And yeah, it keeps people safe.
Conquip Covered is ongoing support, whether that be an on-site engineer coming to site for training or repair, someone at the end of the phone at our help desk or our online services. Conquip Covered is so important because it keeps personnel safe, sites compliant and our equipment compliant and up to date.